Hi kiddos and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie. Today I'm going to do a mermaid because last video I said I will do a mermaid. So let us first concentrate on our mermaid and then we will make the background seascape or the oceanscape, wherever the mermaids are found. Okay, so first to draw the mermaid, what we do is we draw a big U with a small little chin. Okay, we draw a big U. And then this will be her hair. So we will draw a few strands of hair and the hairs are going this side. Let us continue that. A small little nose with a cute little smile. And let's draw big eyes. Okay, our mermaid is having big eyes. Are they equal in size? Yes. And after that we are going to draw the eyeballs. And then one naragundu and one naragundu and then again a small undu and again a small undu. So many circles we are supposed to do for the mermaid. Now the face is ready. This will be her small little ears. Let's see how the hair goes first. First her gala. Okay, her gala, and after making the gala, okay, see she's swimming in water. So let her hands go like that. This is her hands from here. Just give me a second. Okay, so this will be her hand here. This has become too big. Kanun ke haath ho gaye, kanun ke haath. Okay, then she's wearing something here and her body goes like that. She is a mermaid, correct? So her body has to take a turn and then okay, the hair will come here. So first let us finish with the hand part. So for the hand part we will make the thumb and this is her hands. 1, 2, 3 and the little finger 4 outside. So we have to show it connected. So let us show it connected. Okay. So this is one hand of hers and the second hand, the thumb shall come here and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it looking okay? Yes, it's not looking that bad. Now we will make her hair first and then we'll make the tail. Tail matlab the machi wala part of the mermaid. Okay, so this goes here. I'm making it okay, her hair ka lingadi. So she has long hair. I've seen few images. Long hair mermaids have and they're swimming in water. So let us put a shell wala necklace for our mermaids. Okay, she's not Ariel lah, क्योंकि मैंने mermaid देखा ना तो I could find so many Ariels. Ariel was a cartoon mermaid. I'm not making the Ariel lah बच्चा. I'm just making any mermaid with an imagination. Whenever you are doing any drawing, first think what you can Google. जो भी बनाने का वो पहले Google करो, then you draw it with your heart. It will really turn out to be good. So what am I going to do is, this is looking too big, so this is her shirt and then from here her pooch goes here. It's like that. Okay, she's swimming in water, so it comes from here and then we shall make a big one, a big huge juk and then come back and come back. Okay, don't make, see, this is a common mistake which children will do. Aisa, this looks bad, so this will look nice. First make it gulab ka palla and then come down. So I'm going to rub this. Okay, so our mermaid is done. Okay, we'll put a little hair here. Yes, it should come here, otherwise idhar se takla lag raha tha. And one shindy here also. Let's see when we color. And I have seen most of the mermaids are having red color hair. Let's see what hair we make. I am not very sure. Okay, so my mermaid has come to a place, the ground level of the sea or the ocean. Okay, this is the ground level where we find few starfishes. So we are going to make few starfishes here. Then what is there in, okay, there is some patthar also na. ऐसा पत्थर भी तो होता है ना नीचे ग्राउंड लेवल पे, तो वो पत्थर के अंदर जो ग्राउंड आता है उसको हम लोग रब कर देते हैं. एंड देन टाइटैनिक शिप सिंक हुई थी ना एक बार बहुत पहले. So we will make a Titanic if I can make. Yes, I will try to. I'll make a ship here. I'll make it here. I feel like making it. So this mermaid is like a giant mermaid, and then this is the Titanic ship, and she's just come ahead of the Titanic ship. बनाऊं कि नहीं बनाऊं? बना ही देती हूँ. This is not a Titanic ship. This is just a small little boat which has sunk in the water, and our mermaid is ahead. उससे आगे है. So she's just saw this, and she's thinking what should be done. So this will be the lakda of the ship, and then we will have few pardas. Correct? A ship has few pardas. Okay, so this should be the line. I'm not very sure. Let's see how it comes. If it comes nice, okay, otherwise we'll rub it. This should be one kapda. Okay, there has to be one danda here also, I think so. I'm not very sure. Then there is one more kapda. It goes tichuk. Then there is one more kapda which goes bichuk, and there's one more kapda and thoda sa phatla hi. Huh. Now we'll rub this part. Okay, this is a small ship. Okay, so there will be one jhanda also on the ship. So let that jhanda also be there. है ना? किसी का तो झंडा तो होएगा ना. So this is a ship which is sunk inside. This is ऐसा है ship, and our mermaid is just in front of the ship. Now we'll draw. अच्छा, we have to draw a little टूटा हुआ ship because it is sunk ना. तो वो कैसे टूटा होएगा तभी वो sunk होएगा, sink होएगा ना. So we'll make a broken ship. Okay, logic. Apply little logic. ऐसा कैसे टूट जाएगा? So we have to make it टूटेला. Okay, इधर से खड़िया हो गया इसलिए वो नीचे डुंचुक करके नीचे आ गई. अभी नीचे आ गई तो मरमेड देखने आई तो बबम थोड़े सीवीड्स भी बनाते हैं. मरमेड देखने आई तो इधर से ऐसा पानी से ब्रुक 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 ब्रुक, और थोड़ी मच्छी भी देखने आई. सो वील मेक अ लिटिल डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ अ फिश दिस टाइम. सी, फर्स्ट वील मेक अ गोल. सी, आई विल टीच यू. फर्स्ट यू मेक अ गोल. After you make the goal, from here you go out, you come in straight, and then you follow the goal. Now here you make the moon, then again you go down, you come back, and you follow the ship. So follow the circle, and after following the circle again you make a. This is a little different type of a fish. Then we make the eye of the fish. Then we make the stripes. Now the stripes will be little wakda. Okay, a little wakda stripes. Now one stripe will be one color. Now from here it will go here, and from here it will go here. जादू का मच्छा ऐसा बंद होता है? नहीं, इसको ऐसे ही खुला ही रहने देते हैं. और कुछ होता है बच्चा पार्टी. हाँ, इधर से ऐसा दो शेंडी लटकता है ना मच्छी का. आई हैव सीन मेनी मच्छी विथ बियर्ड. So this is the shendi, and this is this shendi is not looking good. We'll just draw two lines. Okay, we'll just draw two lines as shendi, so that will look better. Now ये मच्छी देखने को आया तो एक और मच्छी भी तो आना चाहिए ना. आएगा fit? Yes, we have to fit in. See, from here first we draw a circle. We'll draw similar fishes. Okay, so we take a turn, come back, walk on the circle, make the pooch. From here we take a smile, and then we go down, we come up, and then again we walk on the circle, we make the eye, and then we take the shindis here. Okay, so this is the way our machi is. So two machis. Now ये भी आया है तो इधर भी ब्रुक ब्रुक होएगा ना. ब्रुक 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 ब्रुक. Now we'll draw few seaweeds. Now to draw seaweeds I will teach you one seaweed. This is very nice. पहले सांप की तरह बनाने का ऐसा, फिर ऐसा 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 करके सांप बना देने का, और फिर ये वीड ऐसा 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 है और ये ऐसा है. Okay, this is one kind of a weed I had learned when I was small. Then we'll make one more weed here, and then the usual corals which we find ऐसा खोखला वाला कोरल भी होता है ना, फिर ऐसा खोखला वाला कोरल. These are corals. We'll make it very colorful. It's a very colorful drawing. Oceans can be really very colorful if you make them nicely. अभी ये इधर 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 इधर, अच्छा ये शिप डूब के आई है तो भी इसका ब्रुक 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 हो रहा है ना, ब्रुक 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 ब्रुक. अभी इधर भी हम लोग 2 पत्थर बना देते हैं, ऐसा एक पत्थर, ऐसा दूसरा पत्थर. अभी इधर भी हम लोग ऐसा वाला कोरल बना देते हैं. There are so many types of corals which you will see in the sea. कुछ भी बना दो ना चलेगा. We'll make these corals very colorful. Different colors we are going to use. So these are 2 corals here. There is a starfish here. Shell बनाए कि नहीं बनाए मेरे को कुछ समझ रहा नहीं, बट इट इज इनफ. दिस मच इज टू गिची. नाउ आई विल ऑफ द वीडियो डू माय स्केच पेन, चेक इट इफ आई एम नॉट डूइंग एनी चीटिंग. असं बुडूक बुडूक केलं, असं शिप बनवली, असं मरमेड बनवली, असं 2 मच्छी बनवली, हे एक तरहचं कोरल, हे दुसरं तरहचं कोरल, स्टारफिश, पत्थर पित्थर. you've checked. Now I'll off the video because my video goes very long. You have learned the drawing. Now I will just do the sketch pen and get back again to you. So children, I have finished with all my black marker part, and what I have done is I have rubbed my pencil marks also. So we will start with the coloring part. There is lots and lots of small coloring parts which are to be done. So first we'll start with our fishes. So to start with the fishes, what we take is our yellow color and a brown color. So the face will start with yellow, then we'll do brown, then again yellow. If you all are having fluorescent yellow, you all can use fluorescent yellow also, because in water all these colors look very pretty. Okay, so you all can use your fluorescent yellow. I forgot, otherwise I would have used. Galti zali mazi. Never mind. Now I am using my chocolate brown and I am coloring this fish here. Chocolate brown. So there are so many small things which need to be colored that it is going to take a good time, but you need to do it. Okay, so let's color this brown. Oh, tutla, माझा color tutla. Now let us do this. We'll color this too brown. This will be brown. Now this part is also going to be brown. So brown. And this fish. So there are so many small little parts to be colored, which is going to take a good amount of time of yours. You have to keep patience when you're coloring this. Okay, now what should we do is we will take our red color and we will color this coral red and fluorescent pink. See, I've taken a combination of red and fluorescent pink. So what I do is I color one side of my coral red and I shade it with fluorescent. See, remember children, you all can use many colors, but try to avoid using blue because blue will be a background. So avoid blue. You can use blue, but try to avoid it because it is going to take major part of your drawing. So use very beautiful colors which stand out in blue. So try and make the drawing in such a way that your blue color comes out nicely. So this coral is done. Now what we take is we take our leaf green color and see our leaf green color and a yellow green color, and we are coloring this now, and we will take a deep green color for this. Now since this is green color, so this goes like that and it comes down like that. This is the dark deep green which I have taken. Then I go with my leaf green color this side. Okay, this is leaf green color, this side again is leaf green color, and I am using my yellow green color to do a little bit of shading. the gully parts. Okay, now this is done. Now this part again should be green, but we will use a little different combination of green. So we will take this is called the gray green color, children. Gray green. Okay, so we will take a combination of gray green. It mixes very well with sap green, but here again we are going to take a little oh, this color also broke. Shit. So we color this also very differently. Now what we are supposed to take is our dirty brown, and we can take our blacks to color the stones. Now remember, this part is going to be the beach part, that is the buff color. So you have to be very careful when you are coloring these parts. So we are going to take a little bit of black this side and this side, and we are going to khichao it with our gande wala brown, a little bit of gande wala brown. Okay, here also a little bit of gande wala brown, and then we are going to use white color to smudge it. This time it is white color we are using for the stones for smudging, because if we use buff color, it's going to mix with this, and when it mixes with it, you will not be able to differentiate between the stone and the zameen. So when you are using so many different colors, you have to see how your colors stand out. समजलं? असंच इकडे पण पत्थर आहे, ते पण पत्थर आम्ही असंच करणार. So a little fast forward work, a bit fast work today. Otherwise this is going to take a good amount of time, and we will be left with 40-45 minutes video. तुम लोग ही कंटाला करोगे, बोलोगे क्या तनु आंटी पीछे ही पड़ गई, खत्म ही नहीं कर रही है ना? Mermaid drawing, that is why I was trying to avoid it. But you know, there are many drawings on YouTube which only teaches mermaid, and then छोड़ दिया, बाकी का सीनरी तुम खुद करो. ऐसा नहीं होता. When you're making a mermaid drawing, make it completely well. Otherwise, don't do it. Now I have taken my yellow ochre color, and I'll take the chota bhai of gande wala brown. That is the gray, yellow gray color. Now see, this is the jameen wala part. For the jameen wala part, what we will do, now इधर boat है ना, तो इधर छोटा गंदे वाला brown का भाई को ना थोड़ा सा रगड़ देंगे. Okay. Wherever you feel, you can just put few shadows here and there. A little darker side and a little lighter side is what we want to actually show. So we are using chota bai of ganda wala brown, and that is our yellow gray color, and we are using the yellow ochre color. This is the yellow ochre color. Ochre, ochre, pakar, pakar, akar, akar. थोड़ा गंदा गंदा आता है, आने दो. No problem, because जमीन गंदी हो सकती है. Hi na. You know why purposely I am doing this? So that I know which colors I am supposed to do here. Had I done ochre here, then it would have mixed. हे पण तुटलं. Dear little husband, please buy new colors for me. All my colors are tutoing, and I don't want to do it with chota chota pitoing. चालेल असं गुल्ली गुल्ली करायचं, मैला इकडे. Okay, now use your fingers to smudge this part, because it should not look like you have done. It should look like it is a part of the sand, and there is some shadow sort of falling here. So smudge it properly. Okay, now you have to do this. A lot of coloring, children. Don't get. Now we need to complement the colors. I'll do my book a little wakda so that I can do it a little faster. So I just hold this so that I can go with a good speed and color it. Okay, otherwise it takes a lot of time. I usually have patience in coloring, but then I'm worried that the video goes very long. Y'all कलर आराम से, हाँ, ऐसा नहीं कि तुमको भी 45 मिनट्स में या 30 मिनट्स में ही ख़त्म करनी गई. तुम आराम से करो, नो झटपटी, नो गायबाजी, आराम आराम से, धीरे धीरे से, छोटा छोटा स्टेप्स करके करो. The mermaid which is the cartoon mermaid is Ariel. I haven't made Ariel. Ariel का क्या मच्छी का नाम था, क्या मरमेड का नाम था? I am confused. छोड़ो, अभी हमारी याददाश्त फेड होने लगी है, हम बूढ़े होने लगे हैं, इसलिए कौन एरियल थी कौन मरमेड थी हमको नहीं मालूम. Hey, thanks for someone who told me that Doraemon is a robot cat. I never knew that. Okay, so see, I have used my fluorescent pink here, so I can use it here once again. So let me make this coral fluorescent pink. Oh, there are many colors to use, no issues at all. You all can use any colors for your corals, children, any damn color. So I'm going to take my lemon yellow color. I don't know where my fluorescent color has gone. Chill. जब चाहिए होता तभी नहीं मिलता है. Never mind. So no, with the yellow it will not look good. So what should I do? Let me take my pink and blue and orange and dark orange and scarlet orange, all the colors here. So I'm using my scarlet orange to do my starfish. See, so my starfish fish is scarlet in color. Okay, now what should I do? Okay, I can make my coral. What am I doing? I can make my coral blue because blue is here, so I can use this blue here. Blue is this side, no? So I can use it here inside this jameen part. I can use my blue coral. I can do it blue coral. Acha, that's what I had taken the sketch pen just to do this eye. See this tiny little eye here. I've used a blue pen to do it because I wanted the eye to be blue. So done. Now first let us complete the skin color. Okay, to complete the skin color, what we do is we take our orange, children, and we take our flesh tint. Okay, because we are going to do a bit of karigiri. So we take a flesh tint and we take our orange. Now we have to color this part orange, this part orange, the hand ऊपर का part little orange, and इधर इतना part little orange. Then we will be using a flush tint and doing gully. Let the cheeks part be a little white and we will just do white there. Let this other parts be skin color. Okay, this hand part, skin, 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 tin-in-in-in, skin, 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 tin-in-in-in, skin, 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 tin-in-in-in, skin, 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 tin-in-in-in. Okay. Now we will use a little bit of our hand to smudge these colors off, or we can use white. The only thing is that you have to clean your white every time you are using it, children. Don't just use it without cleaning it, because you all will make a blunder. It will look very awful if you all don't clean it and use it. Blue हो गया तो तुम्हारी mermaid blue हो जाएगी. मेरे साथ बहुत बार ऐसा होता है. That is why I'm warning you, don't do it like that. Okay, so our skin is done and it's left. Now what we will do is we'll make this part, the cloth part of our mermaid, fluorescent and red. Red नहीं करते. We'll use a little bit of yellow, fluorescent pink and yellow. A little different combination should always be used, children, to do things. Then the back part should be done green in color, because we have hardly used any green here. We have just used green here. So let's do this green. Now to do this green, we will take a combination of green and yellow. Am I sounding very boring? Actually, you know, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कौन सा कलर किथे करा, इसलिए I was a bit serious, but let's make it fun. अच्छा, now this much under part, this much under part, and this much under part. Leave it, and rest of the parts, let's make it green. So our mermaids, this is green in color. Our mermaid is green in color. You all can use any combination, whichever you wish. There is no compulsion to use the same much color. Now I am using yellow to do a bit of gully. Okay, so let me use my hand to smudge the colors well. Okay, so I have used a combination of green and yellow to do it. Still, if it is not looking very good, you all can use a little bit of white to smudge it. So it depends. Whatever looks good, children, you all can use those combinations. Now for her hair, I had planned I'll do her hair brown. So I think so we should go in for brown, because her body and all colors are little fluorescent. So brown or black will look nice. So I've already given a black outline. So let us quickly color it brown. We will leave few white spaces where we will use buff color to shade it. Okay. So this is all her hair. A little क्या बोलते हैं, highlighted hair. You all can use red color also to highlight her hair with brown, or you can use whites, whichever color. See, I have left little part and I'm going to use my ochre color to shade it. माझं तुटलं होतं ना ते आकार असं घेते आणि I'm doing the shading part of her hair. Okay, so our mermaid is a little Firangi. You'll understand the meaning of Firangi, a little bit of foreigner. We don't find mermaids in India, do we? We don't find them anywhere. Okay. So our mermaids are done. Now this butt part. Now to do the butt part, what we are going to do is take gray the, ithe and ithe, and then we are going to do gully with white, because this is jhandas are usually white, and they will comply well when we do the background blue. Okay, so this is done, this is done, this is done, this is done. Okay, now this all lakda part we are supposed to do it like that only. So let's color it brown. Let's color it brown. This is simple brown which we did. Now when we do the boat, so we are going to use this Gande wala brown for one shade, Gande wala brown here, and Gande wala brown again, and Gande wala brown again. Now we are going to use our Gande wala brown ka chota wala bai to do the shading. Okay, ये थोड़ा थोड़ा पार्ट है ना उंगली के वहाँ पर वो छोड़ देने का, and then you can smudge it, because the more you do, the more it will get inside it and then it will spoil it. I did not do it only over here, and I was using my finger to smudge it. Mishtuk jolly mazi. See, the hand should stand out, so you need to be very careful when you are going towards the hands. होता है गड़बड़ जोड़ घटाला होता ही. Now this is my black color which I am doing again for the shadows. See the way I'm using it, children, for the boat. My black is not nice रे shit. मज़ा नहीं आता ब्लैक करती हूँ तो पहले बहुत मज़ा आता था अभी एकदम मज़ा इच नहीं आता. Okay, now the ship is dark from here. So what I do is I'm just taking my marker and just coloring few portions dark because they're dark. असं शिपाई ते सिंक झालंय पाणीमध्ये मला सापडलं आहे पण मी मरमेड नाही आहे. ती मरमेडने मला सांगितलं होतं एक शिप सापडला आहे पाणीमध्ये तर तुम्ही या फोटो घ्या. तर मी इकडे आली होती फोटो घ्यायला आली तर मला माझे what we say, the camera got some problem. So I said, well, I'm a teacher, so I can draw it. So the mermaid said, well, fine, if you can draw, it's okay. So, अभी इकडे पानी आई. अच्छा. अभी ये शिप गिरी है तो ये इधर ऐसा पानी में कैसे जाएगी रे. ये गलती हो गई ना. इधर भी ज़मीन होना चाहिए, करेक्ट. इधर भी ज़मीन होना चाहिए, नहीं तो वो शिप कैसे जाएगी. थोड़ा लॉजिक लगा लॉजिक. सो व्हाट आई डू अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ गंदे वाला ब्राउन का छोटा वाला बाई एंड आई यूज माई ऑकर कलर टू डू दिस. I was wondering why the ship is hanging in the air. So this is again a Jameen part. Should we do a little bit of corals? Let us do so that it looks nice. So there is a coral here and a coral here. Now we shall color it different colors. And I'm going to use fluorescent pink. बस हो गया, both use किया. I don't know which color is this in my hand. Light orange. So I'm using light orange here. माझं तोंड सुकलं. बोलून. Okay. And this is green. आता झंडा कशाचा कोणतं कलर करूया. झंडाला आम्ही लाल कलर करूया. लाल. Ships usually have a red color because red color is visible to your eyes right from very far off. That is why red color is given for signals for stopping. Now we are supposed to do the blub. Now if you want you can do the painting part also. I have my paints ready with me. Do I have no ray. Where is my paints? I don't even know. Let me color it only. Forget. Okay, so for doing this I'm going to take my... Now where's my light blue? Is it here? Yes, my light blue is here. And I'm going to just take the emerald green color. You know the emerald green color. This is the dark green color. Where is my emerald green? Persian green I can see, but I cannot see my emerald green color. Okay, children, if you are having the emerald green color, please use the emerald green color because it is the sea green color and just looks fab. So I'm using my Persian green color, a little bit of Persian green color this side. Okay, see, it is all jadoo when you do it. Am I in frame? शुक्र है, मेरे को तो डर गई. डर के मैं चूर हो गई. So I'm using my emerald green, sea green color. Actually this is, I'm using my Persian green. Children, please, if you are having the emerald green, please use your emerald green color for the sea part. Okay, now after you using the emerald green color here, what I am doing is I am using my blue color, smudging it off. Okay, making a wave here. See, my wave goes like a sap. Okay, this wave goes and it disappears here because I want to use different colors. Now I am going to gusau myself a little bit in my emerald green also. I wish I all can see it. See, hey Zandai, I am going to use a Jabardast whites. I'll show you how it is done. It should look pretty. The only intention of our doing the entire thing is it should look pretty. है ना? If it does not look pretty, मेरे को डांटना मत, मेरे को कुछ बोलना भी मत. मैंने को मरमेड बोला, मरमेड तो मैंने सीखा दी ना, बाकी का बैकग्राउंड अच्छा नहीं आया तो मैं क्या करूँसू, क्या करूँसू, बोलो ना मैं क्या करूँसू, कुछ करूँसू, तुम लोग करूँसू, करो 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 करो. Now I'm using my white. Can you see this kachra? My God, you all can see the kachra. Please don't see the kachra, only see. I am cropping. I'll crop it. So I'm using my white, children, now. Ding chicka ding chicka ding chick. My white has come out, and there was a little green in my hand. Never mind. I would love to do it. So let this come a bit greenish and bluish and jabardastish. So this is the smudging of colors, a little bit of smudging of colors, so that it looks pretty. Here, din chicka din chicka din chicka dong, din chicka din chicka dong. Okay, y'all are not small bachus, so please try and understand the shading. I'm using white and I'm doing it anywhere. I'm taking a turn on the circle and doing it. See, all my browns and whatever is coming, please let it come. Okay, so this is done. Okay, a little bit of shading part here. Now again I'm taking my green hallu se. See, I'm not doing it jabardasti. I'm doing it very lightly now, children, very lightly, because I'm going to do blue on top of it. Ding chicka ding chicka ding, ding chicka ding chicka ding. So I'm doing a little bit of blue on it to make a new shade. I also don't know what shade is going to come, but you should keep on trying new colors. Now see, such a thing that can be tried with so many beautiful colors. So I've done this. Now I'm taking my white color. I'm trying to I'm trying to leave my andas, because these andas I'm going to color them dark or light. Let me decide later on. Let me see what am I going to do. See, a beautiful color has appeared here. A beautiful color. So we have mixed our green, we have mixed our Persian green, and we have mixed a little bit of light blue to get this color here. So let me use white here. I don't want any other colors here. Okay, so done. This part is done. Now we can do one thing, is we can smudge this part here and do curly. Then we make a bit darker parts down. My white is going to get over, children. So, dear little husband, please buy colors for me. He watches all of my videos. So let him buy few colors for me. Din chicka chicka din din chicka chicka din din chicka chicka din din. din din chicka chicka din din chicka chicka. अभी इधर थोड़ा blue करते हैं, बहुत light हो गया. Now let us go in for a little brighter color. So let's color it darkly over here. Okay, so when you're going towards the fingers, be a little careful so that you don't enter any wrong parts. Okay, this muchi of this fish can be redone again. So no problem. माझं तोंड सुटलंय, सुकलं. अब इधर ए झिन झिन चिक चिक झिन झिन चिक चिक झिन झिन चिक चिक झिन झिन. अभी माझं हाथ में जो एमराल्ड ग्रीन का शेडिंग था वो ऑटोमेटिक आ रही. ए झिन झिन चिक चिक झिन झिन चिक चिक झिन झिन चिक चिक झिन झिन. अब इधर करते हैं. ए पिम पिम पिक पिक पिम पिम पिक पिक पिम पिम पिक पिक पिम पिम. अरे इधर तो भूल ही गई. ए झिन झिन चिक चिक झिन झिन चिक चिक झिन झिन. din din टिक टिक din din. bim bim pick pick dim bim pop 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 pop. Now let me use a little different blue. बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसा वाला ब्लू यूज़ किया ना. लेट्स यूज़ अ लिटिल डिफरेंट ब्लू टू डू हियर. So I'm using a little darker shade of blue to do here. See, even in C we are playing with so many colors, correct? We have not just done it blue. Light blue, dark blue, light blue, dark blue और white का combination नहीं किया. We have played with so many colors, children, correct? So always remember, please play with colors. And when you play with colors, your drawing is going to look pretty. You don't even have to say, if it is colorful, even if it is made very gandeli, it starts looking good. Believe in me, do it well. It is going to turn out to be good. I never knew how it is going to turn out, because when somebody told me, one child requested me कि auntie please make a mermaid, तो मैंने क्या किया, मैंने mermaid खोला गूगल. वहाँ पर मैंने सब देखा. सब में है ना वो वाला, वो टिपिकल मरमेड होता है ना, वो वाला, वो जो वो ऐसे वाइट एक ऐसे मच्छी होती है छोटी सी येलो कलर की, ऐसा ही कलर की, उसके साथ ओनली आई फाउंड सो मेनी इमेजेस. आई हैव टेकन द सेम एक्शन फ्रॉम गूगल, बट आई हैव कन्वर्टेड माई ड्राइंग टू समथिंग एल्स. सो यू कैन गेट the prerna from the Google, but do it little yourself. And now the background and all I decide. I decide अपने मन में जो आया वही करने का, वही जगन्नाथ हो जाता है. Okay, so my background, yes, I should do a little bit of darker blue this side also, because this is looking very light है ना. So let's make it a little bright. So I make it a little bright. I use my fingers to do the shading. अभी मेरा वीडियो लो गया लंबा. अभी मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती. I can't help it, children. Okay, so we haven't used purple color. So what we will do is we will use purple color for these gullas. Okay, so let's make these gullas purple. We haven't used purple color. So all the colors, all shades used somewhere will make your drawing look pretty. काही विसरली आहे तर मला सांगा. असं तर झालंय. Okay, so when I post it, see, remember children, make it and please post it on Canvas and Scissors. Oh my god. And when I post it, I'll see to that I do all my borders. See, now this color has entered. So what I will do a little bit of ghasar patti and do a finishing of the entire machi. Now if I start doing this, the video is going to get too long. So I'll omit this part. I will do it and then I shall post it. काही पार्ट राहिलं नाही ना, तुम्हाला दिसतंय ना असं चांगल्या रीतीने. So I am going to reborder the entire thing and then I'm going to post it. So bye till then.